Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another episode of today. This is the part 2, which will be only the focus of the installing the batteries, fire demo, and the personal opinion about this blaster. So before to the fire demo, we already unboxed this and then did the blaster review about how it works and then what the blaster looks like. So now we will just install the batteries, then show you the tutorial of how to use it and fire demo and so on. Right, now let's install the batteries. Alright, to install the batteries, you will insert it here. You will install 6 AA batteries. Make sure for the installing batteries, you will need to face the same way. Whoops. Alright, now lastly. There, so after that, once you install the battery, you will put this battery door back, then screw it up using the screwdriver. Finally, I have the screwdriver now, guys. Oops. Alright, now it's ready to pew pew, yay! Let me just unscrew it, make sure that it doesn't do anything. Okay, there we go. Fully locked, okay! Now we'll do the tutorial before the fire demo. So to fire the Adventure Force minigun or Dartzone Adventure Force minigun, you will do it like this. Right, let me just fix the camera position. So to rev up is, you will rev up like this using the rev up button. After that, you will press the trigger. And it's super fast. Just like that. Oh, there's still more, wait. There, once you fire it, it's out of ammo. After that, you may reload it again. So yeah, that's the tutorial video. Now we'll do the fire demo. Let me just reload these ammos first. Alright guys, so personal opinion about this Adventure Force minigun, I really liked it because it's a battery operation. That means you can hop it like Megalodon of Mega, that you hop it like that. Then when I shoot it, the buffer headlights really work well. So I really like the way of how it works. Even the battery was able to work. So that means I bought the same size of the battery, a battery. Then, as you know, that it's really fun because I did like that during the fire demo. So you would know I'm pretending to be like Uncharted 2, which is the heavy soldier. So yeah, if you have to look for more Dartzone blasters, this is not Nerf anyway, but looks like So yeah, if you want to look for Dartzone, you may look on the Dartzone blasters in google.com or any places you want to look for any Dartzone blasters. So anyway, that's the review of the Dartzone minigun or Adventure Force V-Twin with the belt. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe the video and comment, and remember to smash the subscribe button as well. And see you guys again in the next video, and goodbye guys and Merry Christmas!